welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RuDynasty and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to style your U-part and how to install your U-part wig. So Supernova Hair Store sent me this wig, and it's a U-part 24 inches Yankee texture wig, which I love. Look at the velocity is beautiful. The hair was amazingly soft. I loved it so much. So the first step is to take your raw hair, which I'm doing right now, and I'm just trying to take all the hair so I can tuck it away, if that makes sense. I'm going to use a crocodile clip to tuck that away while I then start the straightening process. But yeah. So as you can see right here, I'm going to take my wax stick. It's like a sleek stick. I'm going to put it around the front of the hair. So when I straighten it, it's all nice and seamless. There is no rough hair. There is nothing like that. Especially when it's right at the top. You want it to be all gathered, you know, all together and smooth. So once I've finished doing that, I'm going to part my real hair in the middle, and I'm going to try and get it as center as I can. And then I'm going to go back with my wax stick and I'm going to, you know, try and smoothing the front area of my hair. I know that because my hair is natural, it's not going to fully straighten the top part because it's natural hair. And I'm going to try and straighten it as much as I can. As you can see, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side so I can get the other side as smooth, as sleek as this side. Don't mind my those baby hairs, I'm going to sleek them at the end, but I'm going to do what I did to that side. See how that side's flat? I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side, and then I'm going to show you the result. Now for the fun part is the edges. I don't know what I'm really gonna try and do for the edges. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do the 2 baby hairs at the side, just 1 baby hair on this side and the other 1 baby hair on the other side, and then let's see what it's gonna end up with. But this is because of my natural hair. I don't know, I'm a bit new to this kind of thing. I haven't worn like this kind of hair or like style, which is like a kind of like a wig, not a wig, like a weave. I haven't done that in like 4 or 5 years. Anyways guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please also I will link the company in the description box below, and you can use my code as well. I added some butterfly clips just to make it a little more fancy, more interesting